No one should have that much toilet paper on the back of their toilet, but I don't know.
I feel like the dry spot on my face has gotten a little better.
It's definitely less red. There's construction happening in our backyard, so if you hear that, that's also what I started hearing at 8 a.m.
I'm doing running with my friend Caroline this morning, and she's never been in a vlog. She's perfect and wonderful, and you guys are gonna meet her.
Well, you know I'm vlogging. This is Caroline.
Hi guys.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I have
Oh, that's good. I don't have any nails, so I can never do that. Caroline just started a vlog channel.
I don't know how consistent it'll be.
Literally, but if you want at least just a single vlog, there's one that you can go watch right now.
But also I have to tell you, I'm dropping a rap song.
Oh. About what?
It's like exclusive. Like it's like funny. It's a comedy.
Okay. That's the next video.
Yeah, so it's like
wait.
the niche is not to be found. And
Good.
I like that.
Good. I mean, my niche is just like kind of like knitting and going out.
Your latest thumbnail though.
Yeah.
That's slayed.
Thanks. That's really kind.
I was like, it's giving Parent Trap, like
I always have to touch the fence. To me, that signals that you were done, that you got to the top.
I did it. I like that. Now I know what's up in Hollywood.
We are about to attempt a little bit of a closet clean out. The last time I cleaned out my closet, I feel like I did a pretty good job. I parted with a lot of stuff that I had held on to for years and years. I'm a hoarder. I really have a hard time getting rid of stuff. I got rid of so much shit. I was so proud of myself that I sent a photo to my mom because she knows that I just have a hard time. Clothing has so much sentimental value. I just hold on to clothing objects, think there's this fear that if I get rid of them, then the memory is gone, which is not true. And I'm trying to rewire my brain. In my last video when I went thrifting, I just feel this guilt of buying new clothes when I know I already have so many. So I need to try to get rid of some to allow some new items into my wardrobe. It's time. We're going through my closet again. Everything I got rid of last time I tried to sell to a secondhand store. Los Angeles is great because it has a lot of thrift stores, has a lot of secondhand clothing stores that you can try to sell your items to. Everything that they didn't take, I offered to friends to see if they wanted some items, which I actually love doing. Channing took some shoes. If I really miss those shoes, I can go borrow them from her. So I really actually love that technique because it's basically just like dispersing your closet around the city of Los Angeles. You can go borrow it, you can go visit it, you can see them wear it out and be like, oh my God, that top that I gave you, I'm so happy that you're getting use out of it. And you also realize how much you don't miss them because like I have never requested to borrow the shoes or the top or the dress that I gave to my friends. I have never wanted to drive to their house and take it back. And then all of the clothes that were left over that the store didn't want, my friends didn't want, I donated. This time around, it's a little bit different. I don't necessarily want to get rid of all of these items. I think that they're the kind of thing that like, if I could sell it, I might sell it, but otherwise I think I might keep it. So I might list some of these things on Depop. Maybe I'll go try to sell it at a store, but otherwise I think I want to hold on to them for a little bit longer. But I don't know, maybe that's my like hoarder mindset creeping in and maybe I should get rid of them. We're figuring all of that out right now on camera. First up, we have this top from Ann Taylor and it's just ill-fitting. It's the wrong size. It's a little bit too big and I just don't like the way it hangs. The reason that I've held on to this is because I feel like this is a great top to wear under something because I love this collar and I love these sleeves. I would never wear this plain because I just don't feel like it fits me super well. It's not awful, but like if I wore it underneath a plain sweater like this, is that cute or do I look like an overgrown baby? I feel like I might look like an overgrown baby. I'm not obsessed. We're really showing how preppy my taste can get, okay? So I was pulling things and I'm like, you never gravitate towards that item. Why do you have it? Why would I not keep this? Maybe I'm at the beach and I'm like really trying to like fit the nautical vibe. This is like what I would wear if I was on a sailboat, as if I'm like going on a sailboat anytime soon. This is a shirt that I have owned since high school. I used to wear this to class and I still have it. I have owned this shirt for over a decade at this point. That's not too great. Like why do I still have this? I love a waffle weave top. I also never wear it though. Oh, I think it's time. I think this one's a firm no. This is a jacket that someone left at one of our parties and no one ever claimed it. What am I supposed to do with that? No one has. This top is fine. I just have never selected to wear this top when I'm getting ready. Also really important to note that I have jeans that go with this. I would never wear this top with these jeans because I just feel like it's too much. I also sometimes feel like this neckline is just like a little boring. It's not as flattering as it could be, which I think is why I've never picked it. Like I just don't think it like shows off my best assets, if you know what I mean. I gravitate towards other tops and I have never selected to wear this one when I'm going out. So I think this one's a no. I was almost positive that I was gonna get rid of this top because this top, like you can't really wear a bra with it. I'm at this point in my life where I love wearing a top that doesn't require a bra, but there are certain tops that I don't feel like I can wear because I don't feel like they support them enough. Actually, I'm not really hating this one. Like I don't think that my boobs look as bad as I thought they would. I'm pleasantly surprised with this one. I feel like I'm always like kind of self-conscious about how I'll look in it, but I'm not hating it today. I think I'm gonna keep this one a little bit longer. On that same topic of shirts that you can't really wear a bra with, this top I love. I think it's so cute. It's like a sweater material. It's backless, but at the same time, I don't like the way my boobs look. I would never wear this. I just feel like my boobs are hanging a little bit too much for my comfort level. It's a damn shame. And I know there are things you can do like sticky boobs or tape, but like personally, those have never worked for me and I don't like them, and why fight it? Okay, maybe if I tie it like really tight. Wait, hold on. Did I just fix it? Hold on. I just tied it really tight and then I kind of tucked this bottom part underneath. I feel like I like it now. Am I crazy? I mean, like, yeah, I'm still not feeling like super supported, but I feel like it doesn't look as frumpy as it did before because I just like pulled it. I think I like it now. Do I like it? Ugh, I just wish my boobs weren't as saggy. It's just so cute. I just don't feel like I can get rid of it. On the right day, I feel like I might be confident enough to wear this out if I tie it tight like this. I have many ups and downs with my relationship with my boobs, and I have decided that I like them, but sometimes it really hurts when there's a top like this. And I'm like, if they were just a little bit smaller, I know that I would like this top more. I think I'm gonna keep this because right now I'm just thinking, own it. Yeah, you're not wearing a bra. Yeah, I have tits. Okay. As a girl who knits sweaters, I love sweaters that I also don't knit. I collect sweaters. I have so many sweaters. I am meant to live somewhere colder. I don't know why I live in Los Angeles. I should be living in Vermont based on my sweater collection. This sweater I think I got in college. It's from Athleta. I love it for the thumb holes. I feel like I haven't worn this in the past couple of years because of this scoop neck. I've been gravitating towards sweaters that allow me to wear a turtleneck underneath, and I don't like how a turtleneck looks under a neckline like this. I just haven't really worn it in recent years, and so I was like, you should probably take that off the hanger and try that one on and see what you think. When it gets cold again, I need to try to wear this one more. This dress is what we like to call an eating dress, okay? There are no constraints. It is a full-on sack, and you wear this to dinner when you're planning on eating a lot. This is a sack dress. There's a purpose for it. This is a dress that you basically want to feel naked in it without being naked. I'm keeping it. I feel like it'll reach its potential during the summer months. Let's see how this summer season goes with this dress. This is J. Crew. It's velvet, very holiday, Christmas party type jacket. Sometimes I wish it was like a little bit of a deeper green, more of like a Christmas green. I just don't see myself wearing this at a holiday party. I'm gonna wear a sweater. I'm gonna make a sweater and wear that sweater to the holiday party. I think I'm just gonna list it on Depop and see if it sells, because there might be someone out there that is craving a velvet jacket for the workplace and they'll get more use out of it than I will. In the same vein of business coats, okay, we have 3 coats. I just wore this one. I'm not getting rid of this one. I love this one. It's my pride and joy. This one, I love. Plain white, perfect, wonderful, amazing. This one, also perfect and amazing. I just feel like those two I get more use out of. Pink and the white has the matching skirt, which I just wore, and the white one will go with everything. This one doesn't have a matching skirt with it, or maybe it does and I just don't own it. I feel like I just don't need 3 jackets that look like this. I'm just gonna list on Depop and see if it sells. Someone might be seeking a jacket like this, and I already have 2 of them. Megan said I shouldn't get rid of this because the second I get rid of it, I'm gonna want this exact thing for something, and I kind of agree with that. I feel like I should keep this a little bit longer. Next are these pants, which are very wrinkly. Khaki pants. I love the pleats on the front. Yeah, I like these. I'm keeping these. I just need to remember that like I don't only have to wear black and blue jeans when I go places. Like you can wear something like this. These cargo pants. I thought I didn't like them anymore, but now I think I do. Ugh, I don't know. The next batch of clothes we have are things that I have knit. I have too many sweaters in my closet that I have knit, which makes my closet feel bigger than it probably actually is, which is why I'm feeling like I need to get rid of stuff. But what I actually need to do is just sell some sweaters that I've made, and that'll probably make it feel less claustrophobic because these just take up so much room that I need to try to sell some of these. I've tried listing some of these on Etsy before, but I think I might try to put them on Depop and see what happens. Of course, these ends would be woven in when I actually sell them. I'm just lazy and I don't do that because I'm just ready to be done with the project. I love this one. I just feel like I just want to sell it. I've made 2 of these. They're a little bit different measurements, but this is the older one and I have 2 of these, so I don't need 2 of these. This one's a little bit boxier than the newer one. It still fits great. I just prefer the other one. It has a cowboy boot on the back, of course. This one says not Fendi and it has the Fendi logo on the back. I have these 3 right here, not Chanel, not Dior, not Prada, and no shade to Fendi, but this one's my least favorite one that I've made and I just don't feel like I need 4 of these. There's room for 3 right here. Maybe I should get rid of this 4th one. This sweater says green. It's striped very subtly. It's blue and gray. I actually made this for my first ever stand-up show that I did. I kept this for a while because I was like, oh, that's really sentimental. It was my first stand-up show. Like I should keep that sweater that I made for it. I think I'm gonna part with it. Maybe that's sad, but last but not least, we have this sweater that I made forever ago. This is just your typical baggy cardigan. It has these little stars, X's embroidered on the side. I just never wear this one, and I have only ever knitted 2 cardigans in my entire life, and one of them I actually sold a while ago. This one, hopefully I sell. I just never grabbed for this one, and it should go to a good home. I have to make peace with the fact that I can't keep everything that I've made ever. I have to get rid of some stuff that I've made. Okay, I'm a little exhausted. I think this was good. I think I'm trying to get in the habit of doing this more often so I don't run into what I ran into a few months ago with that giant pile of clothes. We're gonna do things throughout the year, hoard things up for years, then have to get rid of everything at once because I don't need to live like that anymore. I've really been wanting to go thrifting lately, but I have felt awful about it that like if I'm gonna thrift, I need to also get rid of some of my clothes, right? That feels like the circle of life. So now I feel like I can go thrifting. Maybe we'll go thrifting in the next video. If you want. I think my afternoon is going to be trying to list some of this stuff on Depop, but as you might have guessed, I do want to eat a bagel. I want a bagel. There's so many poppy seeds. This is Thomas brand. I've tried Sara Lee. Both of those, the poppy seeds and the seeds, they just like go everywhere. The best brand of everything bagels that I have bought so far is just the store brand of Pavilions, which is a grocery store here. The Pavilion store brand bagel, everything bagel, is the best one. Shit doesn't fly everywhere. It's a little inevitable, like stuff is gonna come off of an everything bagel. They're all good at a certain point. Like I don't want the mess of it all. They were out of the Pavilion store brand when I bought this one, so other people agreed, okay? There's a reason that that was out of stock. Everyone knows that that's the best brand on sale there. I just forgot my Valentine's Day sweater. Eat shit. I think I might sell this one. Why not? Let's just see if someone buys it. I think I'm also gonna try to sell this bag from Rothy's because I have this bag in the larger style and this color. I think I like this color more and I also like this size more because I feel like when I'm reaching for a bag that's this size, I actually tend to pick this one that I got from Madewell. So I feel like I should downsize. I do love Rothy's though. I just tend to kind of go for this bag. This bag is awesome. As I was cleaning out my closet, I found this ladybird vest. When I wore the costume, I had pink hair dye. It kind of stained the back of the vest a little pink. Literally since October 2022, I have not tried to get any of this pink out. I would sell this if I could get this out. Here's my detergent from the laundry room. And then I have this bucket from, I'll say I've had these buckets since college. I never get rid of something like this because you're gonna need them again when you inevitably move again and again and again. These help me cut down on the amount of boxes that I actually have to tape up. I need a snack. Okay, I think that's good. I am a little nervous that the navy is gonna just bleed into the white. We're just going for it. I don't know what else to do. If it fucks up completely, then it fucks up. It smells really good though. I love the smell of laundry. When I was little, I used to make my mom walk down the laundry aisle, even if we didn't have to buy laundry detergent, because I was so obsessed with the smell of laundry. I used to always help my mom with laundry growing up without her even asking, because I was just like really wanting to be in the laundry room. Favorite chore is laundry. I don't mind it because the smell is so nice. I mean, sometimes it is annoying, you know, putting it away and stuff, but it's probably my favorite. My least favorite, cleaning the bathroom, specifically the shower. Cleaning showers is just like the bane of my existence. So far, so good. The navy didn't bleed into the white, but it looks promising. It might be gone. Oh, that got so much out. I cannot believe this took me about 7 months to clean. That's really embarrassing. We're closer to this year's Halloween than we are to last year's Halloween now. I think it actually might have come out, which is wild. Let's just wait for it to dry, but I do think it came out. It's awesome. And now it smells good. This might be an awful idea to eat this in a white shirt, but we'll see how it goes. This is some local, or I guess on the label it said San Francisco, but I don't know, it's like in the section of the store that's like, it's not a normal frozen pizza, it's like one that's more local or whatever you want to call it. There's something so good about this crust. Sarah and I got it one time and it's just like, it's like a cornbread crust. It's so good, I just really wanted it today. Is anyone else on that side of TikTok where you just get depressing quotes put to sad music? I try not to engage with them because I don't need to see that on my feed, but I like them. I like reading them. I like the music. They're coming back onto my For You page. I've been interacting with them too much. I was doing a good job about avoiding them. They're weaseling their way back in, unfortunately.
Guys, social media is so fake.
I want to see your blind reaction to whether you think something is cheating or not cheating.
Not understanding that you're a horrible person doesn't make you less of a horrible person.
She wanna go viral. Help me decide what dresses to bring on a trip.
Only thing that leaves is your bitch when I bend her over. And I bend it over and I arch my back.
I'm walking to the post office right now. This is the contraption that I have rigged up as I'm walking. The packages in here, of course. Someone bought something already. It wasn't even anything that I showed you guys. It was just this bucket hat. I hope people buy other things, mainly my sweater vests. I just like always feel so weird about pricing them. They have to be priced high enough to like make the time that I put into them worth it. But I also don't expect anyone to spend just like a shit ton of money on a sweater vest I made. This is a whole different discussion, but I think it's very difficult for artists to like put value on their work. It is so gray and gloomy out these days. I think it's what they call June gloom, but sometimes it kind of happens in May. At least that's what someone told me one time. I don't know how accurate that is, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it early onset June gloom. Look at the stamps that I bought at USPS. They're Roy Lichtenstein stamps. They're so pretty. They are so pretty. You don't see stamps like this every day. You really don't. Do you want to participate in me saying goodbye to the vlog? Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed my closet clean out. I feel like I should have filmed in January. I cleaned out so much stuff. I should have filmed then, but you know what? It's fine. Sarah's back from Paris and I need to, you know, go and see her at some point because she is down the street. Okay.
Watching a video about a deaf cat and how to wake them up. How to wake up a deaf cat without scaring them.
Oh, perfect. Send me the link. Thank you for watching. I love you all. I guess you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Letterboxd, Twitter. Subscribe to me here. Did I say TikTok?
No.
TikTok as well. I guess that's all. So,
Bye.